morning to all my dear students. As in last class we studied about how to divide one polynomial by the other polynomial by the long division method, and I hope all of you know very well that how to divide them. Now on the basis of division there are some questions in which we have to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So the concept for that is when we are dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial, if remainder comes to 0, then first polynomial is a factor of the second, otherwise it is not. If remainder is not coming, by dividing the remainder is not coming equal to 0, then the first polynomial is not the factor of the second polynomial. Let's see one examples. As we have given the polynomial x cube, first polynomial is x cube minus 3x plus 1, and second is x5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So how to solve this question? First, the first polynomial is this one and the second polynomial is this one. So as we know in this which we have to divide, that means dividend, we have to write it in the standard form. So powers, here x is power 4 is missing, so we have to write it with coefficient 0. X is power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Now to check the factors, we have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So by dividing, as everyone knows that how to divide, as already I discussed with you that when we are dividing we have to make this x square equal to this first x5. So for that I divide it by x cube, so it becomes x cube into x square, x5 minus 3x cube plus x, so that is 3x power 4 plus x cube. So we will write here, and then after that we change the sign. So as I told you already in that, these signs role is to just make these signs. Now we have to consider only the first sign and last sign. So this is the plus, then there becomes plus. Here is the plus, here is the minus, so it will cancel. And here minus 4x cube and minus x cube, that means minus and minus plus, we have to add but sign is of a minus, and these as it is without changing. So in this way we got here at last the remainder is 2x minus 9. So it is a remainder because its degree, we can see here degree is 1 and degree is 2, so it is this value is less than this value, so it's a remainder. So from here we saw that the remainder is 29x minus 9, so it is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, it means that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So in this way you have to do the question number 2 of the exercise also. And then now the next question is obtain all other zeros of this 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are given. As we know, the number of zeros this polynomial have 4. Why 4? Because the power is, degree is its 4. If degree is 4, that means it have 4 zeros. So how to do these questions? So first, given polynomial this and the zeros are this, and as we know we are getting the zeros from the factor, so we can make the factors of the, with the help of this zero we can write its factor. But when we are writing the factors, the sign we have to change. There is the plus sign under 5 upon 3, but when we are factor writing we have to write opposite, that means x minus under 5 upon 3, and here is the plus, then it is x plus under 5 upon 3. I am writing here x because x is the variable here. So now we know that if we multiply these factor, then we got x square minus 5 upon 3, because square and square root will cancel. Now to find the other factors, because for finding the 0, first we have to find the factor, then we have to find the 0. So first we have to find the factor. So for finding the factors, we have to divide this polynomial by this. So when we divide it by long division methods, we see here remainder comes 0. But one thing I'm telling you here, maximum time I saw the student, they are confused there how when x square minus 5 upon 3 is multiplied by 3x raised to power 4, then it is coming 3x raised to power, if it is 3x raised to power 2, 3x raised to power 4, then it is coming minus 5 upon x square. So they are confused there how it comes. For that I will tell you. X square minus 5 upon 3, we are multiplying it with 3x square, so that means this will multiply it, x square into 3x square minus 5 upon 3 into 3x square. So here 3 will cancel, and here 3x raised to power 4 minus 5x square. That's why this term is coming here. So you can see here, that's why I've written here 3x4 minus 5x square. So again, by doing the same process, you can see here 6x square, 6x cube minus, and this 3 and this 2 will divide and comes to 2 into 5, 10x. So in the same way we got this, and from here after dividing we got 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Then again by splitting the middle term you find it is more factor, and then factor 3x plus 1 and x plus 1. And for other zeros we have to put this factor equal to 0 as we did in the first exercise. So now 3x plus 1 is equal to 3, and by solving x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So therefore other required zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. So this is very important question, and every year the question number 3rd and 4th they are coming in the exam. So now see the 4th question. On dividing this, we are dividing this, that means this is the dividend, and it is divided by gx, gx is the divisor, and quotient is coming x minus 2, and the remainder is coming minus 2x plus 4. This is we have written, and as we know the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this side dividend and there divisor, then quotient, and this is remainder. So how we can change the pattern? We can change the left side to right side and right side to left side. That means I took all value to this side and this value to that side, then there is no need to change the sign. So here gx, x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This minus, it will go to that side and becomes plus 2x. This becomes minus 4 because sign is changing. Then gx is coming x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 upon this. There is a multiplication, then it becomes to go to that side, it becomes division x minus 2. So after that, by dividing the same process by the long division, we got here the value of gx. Gx means quotient, x square minus x plus 1. So gx is x square minus x plus 1, and this is the answer. So in this way you have to try to solve these questions, and for Monday I will take the test of this second chapter completely. So thank you and have a nice day.